Alright, welcome back to Cirespeed Reviews. Alright, so I gotta make a correction. This is not the mystery box. I believe the mystery box will be coming maybe tomorrow. So I know exactly what this is. Art version of the C3PO, number 64, exclusive for Target. So what do we know about the artist Futura? Well, back in the 70s and 80s, he was a graffiti artist from New York City. One of the most distinct features about his style was that he did abstract graffiti, not just letterings like most New York City artists were doing. He was actually doing abstract artwork. Also, his style was different because the way he held the spray can while he did his work made the lines very thin. He turned the spray can upside down and that gave a very thin line, almost like a airbrush. Trying to get R2-D2 also, but somebody beat me out on that one. Nice hard case comes in, clear case. Staying in this case, I'm not really going to take this out. And if you notice, it's not a really high gloss metallic looking C3PO. It's a matte colored, gold colored C3PO, not the very shiny metallic colored on most C3PO Funko Pops. And if you notice right here on the front, it says it's only sold at Target. But I'm pretty sure if you look on eBay, you'll find them. Nice little image right here on the side. This was done on the casing. So this is hard plastic. Keep your Funko Pop protected. Thanks for hanging out with me and going over this Futura styled Funko Pop C3PO. Have a great one. Subscribe and see you in the next video.